Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Let us start.
Okay.
Good evening, one and all present here. Let us start our validity function for the AICT sponsored 5 days Atal FDP on 3D printing and design. Now, I request our head of the department, Dr. I. Rajendran, senior professor and head, to deliver the valedictory address. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Good evening. We are very happy that we reached the end of the 5 days FDP on 3D printing and design. I hope that we might have learned a lot of things. To our level best, we brought the specialists, those who are already doing a lot of research in that particular area. As a faculty member, you should always remember one thing. Don't stop with this. It's just a beginning. You can learn a lot of things from the website, and you can get a lot of data books are available, lot of journals on additive manufacturing techniques it is coming. So you read all those things. Initially start giving some project work to your undergraduate students. From that you can learn a lot of things, and try to publish few papers, simple conference level. Then you can extend to international journal level. And those who know already the finite element methods, it is very easy to understand the slicing and other procedures. If you want to use any 3D printing softwares, if you are already familiar with the FEA software, it is very easy. And whatever online available softwares, you can freely download and use it. Later, you can recommend to buy any the commercial softwares from your college. And also, if you are familiar in this area, it is very easy to apply. It's an emerging area. You can apply this kind of faculty development programs, or you can conduct conferences, or you can apply funding proposals to various agencies, and you can take up small consultancy work from various industries. So by doing all these things, you can equip yourselves. At the same time, those who have already a doctorate, please try to guide PhD scholars in this area. So you can learn along with the research scholars a lot of areas of 3D printing and design. Particularly in most of the colleges, we have the modeling software, analysis software, CAM software, but the software related to 3D printing, probably now only some universities and colleges trying to buy. Probably if we have the experts, so if we recommend, we can buy it. Once we have the software only, we can give the project to students. And also another thing is mechanical engineering should always welcome the new technologies. So the additive printing area, what are all the new technology we can integrate, like artificial intelligence and machine learning kind of things. It is nothing but already our mechanical people are used, expert systems, neural network, all those things, fuzzy logic, all those things coming under the category of machine learning and things. So this is the different form, but basics our people are already know. So if you integrate these new technologies in the 3D printing area, definitely we can match with the computer science requirements. In industry, our role going to be in the manufacturing industry is going to be very big. So we align with the newer technology, our requirement will be more. So as a faculty members, you should transfer whatever knowledge you learned in this, you disseminate to your students, UG students, PG students, and your research scholars, and motivate them also to take up work in this work. And also most of the colleges giving this additive manufacturing as elective subject, probably based on the current trend, we can transfer this subject from elective to core for mechanical engineering students. Definitely, based on the conventional machinery, at the end they will learn the additive manufacturing or 3D printing technologies. So we all together should work, and is online medium. Any faculty can contact any faculty members. You can contact us anytime. If you know any details, we are ready to share. And with all the resource persons also we can share. Or in future also we are trying to conduct similar programs. We will contact you. We request your cooperation for that also. Really, we are very much thankful to all of you. You are every time you have in time attended all the 5 days sessions. Normally, 14 sessions are enough, but our people, our coordinating team requested why don't we conduct the 15th session also. So we will give maximum at the maximum knowledge to our participants. Like that we have discussed. That is why 15 sessions we have conducted. Really, we are happy, and I hope in future also we will meet in the, when we are organizing similar programs. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, let us collect the feedback from the external participant. The participant can, one by one, can unmute your mic and video so that you can express your views.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
I am Dr. Rajiv Garg. I am a professor of architecture at Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University. I was very keen to know more about 3D printing technologies, and in the recent past I had heard that even now small residences, small buildings can be constructed using this technology by 3D printing. IIT Madras has also developed such prototype, and one of the speaker has also mentioned that prototype in the presentation. This program has really vastened my vision, and very informative sessions were conducted. All the speakers were by and large very good, the experts in their field. I am highly benefited with this program. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Little more voice. Your voice is little low.
No, very informative and very informative sessions. All sessions are very informative. The industrial persons, when we meet industrial persons, the real experience we got is where we have visited the industrial places like that. The industrial persons are explained the whole things, and Hariharan sir and head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Mahalingam College, all cooperated very well for this FTP program, and this is a very informative one. And we are into the 3D printing now only. Last 2 months only we are into the 3D printing. Very much informative and knowledgeable session, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Myself, Dr. Velmurugan from Muthayamal Engineering College, Rasipuram. A very
Can you
informative.
switch on your video, sir? Can you switch on your video?
A very informative and valuable 5 days. It was very great to get the technique, sir. Very useful for us, especially for teaching faculty. Thank you so much for arranging such kind of wonderful FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your valuable feedback, sir.
Hello, Nathan.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else?
Anybody wants to give us any feedback? Any external participants? If no more participants, then let us move on to the photo session. All the participants are requested to switch on your videos so that we can capture your screenshot.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, all the participants.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, you
Okay,
can
now I
start
call upon
the.
Mr. M. Kidian Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Mahalingam College of Engineering and Technology, Pollachi, to present the FDP report.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Ganesh?
So there is a network issue, sir. He is trying. He is trying to connect.
It is sponsored 5 days online ACT faculty development on 3D printing and design, organized by the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Mahalingam College of Engineering and Technology, Pollachi.
So
Thank you.
clearly explain all those necessary conditions they have to do in the Atal website to get the certificate. One is they have to give feedback in the Atal website. Then they have to complete the test and they should score 60 marks. And the attendance should be 80% out of all these sessions. Okay. So you are going to start test?
No, sir, vote of thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Dr. Ram Tirumurugan.
Yes.
Yeah,
sir.
Dr. Ram Tirumurugan.
Now I call upon Dr. Rama Tirumurugan, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Mahalingam College of Engineering and Technology, Pollachi, to propose vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening to one and all virtually connected to this FTP. It gives me immense pleasure to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing team to those responsible for the successful conduct of this FDP. At this juncture, we would like to thank the AICT Teaching and Learning Academy for giving us permission to conduct this FTP. We would like to place on record our gratitude to our management, beloved secretary, respected principal, and beloved HOD of mechanical department and HODs of other department for their encouragement and continuous support and guidance provided throughout this FDP. We would like to thank the resource person who have honored this FDP, not only sparing their valuable time, but also enlighten us with their commendable knowledge shared with wonderful presentations. Last but not least, our beloved participants of this FDP for making this FDP interesting and interactive one. Once again, we thank one and all present in this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all participants for their wonderful participation. We are going to post the assessment in the chat box. So as well as it will be posted in the WhatsApp. Kindly complete the assessment